Hey, what is going on everybody, and welcome back to the channel. In this episode we're going to take a look at how to make a base template for HTML files and then how to extend that with separate HTML files. Alright, so let's get straight into the code. So this is the code that we created in the previous episode, and we want to start by going into the templates directory right here. And in there we want to create a new file, and we're going to call that file base.html.terra like so. And in this base file, essentially what we want to do is we want to copy everything from the index file like so, and then we're going to remove the not relevant parts, so essentially the parts that are not applicable to each and every page but only to the base page. Alright, so we can start by removing this style because we're not sure if we want this style on each and every page, so remove that like so. And then we want to change this title right here to, instead of saying header, we want this to say, block. Alright, so you want to write like that, and then you want to say block, and I'm going to call this block title, and then you want to make a new curly brace and then the %, and to close the reverse like so, and in here you want to say end block title like so. Alright, so just below that you want to copy this and paste it in here, but instead of saying title we want this to say style like so, so style again. Alright, so that looks a little bit better, and then let's go down here and we want to remove everything within this V app, so remove all of that. And then inside here let's copy this block here and then just paste it in like so, and let's fix the indentation, and instead of saying style we want this to say content like so, so content and content, and that's it for the base. Alright, so move into your index file, and in the index file you can just remove everything that we have in the base, so that's everything like so. And then at the top you want to say curly brace and then % like so, and you want to say extends base like so. And then let's start with the title. So to do the title you want to do curly brace and % again, and you want to say block title like so, and in here we're going to put the header and then end block title, so end block title. All right, and then for the style we want to do the same thing but another block, so block style, and then just % end block style like so. All right, and then we can remove all of that, and actually we can remove everything including this V app and everything below up until the V app like so. And then you want to wrap all of this in a block, and we're going to call that block content like so. And then you want to go down to the end and you just want to end the block, so end block content like so. Alright, so I'm just going to fix the indentation a little bit like so, and let's see the same up here, so that looks better. Alright, so recompile the code and then just refresh this page and hopefully it should look just the same. Alright, so now we want to update this sign up page as well, so we're just going to copy everything from the index page and paste it in here, and then we're going to change this login to sign up like, I think it should be like that. Alright, so recompile the code. Alright, so go to your sign up page and just hit refresh, and as you can see this still works fine. So that is it for this video, so good luck and happy coding.